Crossing a swampy area from the main road, we arrived at Panji village by the sea in Lahad Datu. Arriving at the seaside felt like entering another world. In recent years, Tzu Chi volunteers have received an increasing number of requests for help from stateless individuals. Over time, the profile of this community has transitioned from being unclear to becoming more vivid in their view. Driven by the principles of humanitarian aid that transcend religion, race, and nationality, Tzu Chi volunteers engaged Bajau-speaking volunteer interpreters to venture into the stateless village of the Bajau Laut people for a thorough understanding of their situation. On July 13, 2024, 24 volunteers arrived in Lahad Datu, Sabah. This home visit focused on the impoverished families in Panji village. Today's home visits marked the first time volunteers had to travel by boat and conduct their visits at sea. The boats were rented from local villagers. We, the production crew, boarded another boat, which they claimed was larger and better. Unexpectedly, an accident occurred, but for them, this was just a common occurrence. To ensure the home visits proceed smoothly, someone on the boat must constantly scoop out water. It seems that in the entire Panji village, there isn't a single boat that doesn't leak.
Water kept seeping in. It wasn't just from below, but it was seeping in from all around. Oh dear, this boat might be fine for near-shore waters, but if you go further out, I think it'd sink.
Tidur di perahu, makan di perahu, mandi di perahu. Jika diorang dilanda ribut, taupan, hujan, kita tidak dapat membayangkan bagaimana mereka ini tidur di atas perahu bersama anak-anak mereka.
Their boats constantly leak water, and every night, someone must stay awake to bail water out. Even their tarpaulins are torn and tattered, so when it rains, water still gets in. They have to bail water out constantly.
By year-end, their lives become very difficult due to the rough seas. They can't go out to fish as it rains so often. I asked why, and they said the strong waves would capsize their boats. If it overturns, they'll have to swim.
A boat is their home.
The boat isn't large. How do they sleep? There's 7 of them, including the parents. There are 9 of them. How do they manage?
Without money to buy a bigger boat, the adults can only curl up to lie down inside.
Jadi hari-hari kena pergi beli beras pasak.
一次买多少米啊？
Ya kamu beli beras 1 kilo sekarang.
1 kilo. Rumah ni. Boleh ya? Oh, naik rumah dia. Sekejap. Naik kapal terbang. Oh, patah.
Those without boats live in stilt houses. Sometimes several families squeeze in together.
Tiang kecil-kecil dan tinggi, diorang tidak boleh ambil kayu, bikin tiang, diorang tidak ada cukup duit, bikin beli kayu yang di luar dijual.
Bila saya masuk itu rumah kan, saya duduk. Bila saya duduk, saya terdengar itu papan kan sudah kerak. Saya tidak tahu macam mana bah kalau saya tiap-tiap hari saya mau masuk tinggal rumah begitu kecil bah.
Oh, sini tempat tidur ah?
The stilt houses on the sea are really basic. I visited one household where 3 families shared one stove. In a very old-fashioned way, they cut a hole in a biscuit tin and used it as a stove. 3 families shared it.
They completely lack the economic capability. It's just plain rice. He said, just add some cassava and a bit of MSG to enhance the flavor.
Sebab diorang tidak boleh bekerja, diorang tidak diterima karena diorang tidak pandai bahasa dan diorang tiada dokumen. Hanya pergi memancing pendapatan, merata-rata saya interview pendapatan diorang RM5, RM7, RM10, paling tinggi RM15 sahaja.
Kau tum beras di mana? Saya mau tengok bolehkah? Sebab saya cakap saya tiada. Ini malam makan apa? Dia cakap pun tidak tahu. Jadi kau anak kecil, kau tiada beras, tiada, kau makan apa nanti? Selalu minum air.
Ibadin doesn't have his own boat. He can only borrow a boat to fish.
这么小空间怎么睡得下20多个人？
哦，这里7个，那里10多个。
这里睡7个人睡得下吗？
Sini 7 orang boleh tidur kan? Hah?
Tidur separuh.
Separuh sini ya luar. Hah?
Iya.
Entah. Tak sejuk be?
Pakai sarung saja.
Oh. Siapa tidur? Lelaki tidur sini.
Lelaki sama budak-budak.
Oh. 男生和小朋友就住在睡在外面。
Kalau hujan di dalam duduk.
Dalam duduk, tak boleh tidur. Oh, 如果下雨了就进去里面坐着，就没得睡了，就坐着睡吧。
今天中午在煮什么？
Jadi sekarang masak apa?
Tak ada lagi.
Hah?
Tak ada.
Gula pun tak ada. Makan nasi saja. Ada kicap. Nasi putih saja.
Nasi putih saja tinggal.
Oh, 他就是吃白饭，什么都没了。
If they catch fish, they give some to the boat owner and sell the extra. But without identification, they're afraid to sell at the market. Instead, middlemen will come to collect from them.
Budak-budak, adik-adik yang minta.
Minta duit ah? Hah? Oh, 乞讨啊。
If the boat is severely damaged, they have no boat at all. If they completely lose their boat, they sleep in the 5-foot-way corridor and pick up recyclables or go begging for money. They rummage through rubbish bins to find things that can be eaten or used.
Mereka kata mereka akan minta duit kalau tiada yang diorang punya makanan, sebab diorang tidak diterima bekerja di mana-mana. Diorang sendiri jumpa pergi restoran, diorang minta gaji walaupun RM5 sehari. Diorang sanggup cuci piring, diorang sanggup lap meja, diorang sanggup cuci tandas asalkan diorang dibagi gaji. Tapi semuanya diorang ditolak. Nomor 1, diorang tiada dokumen. Nomor 2, diorang kotor. Diorang jelaskan sama saya, diorang tidak diterima karena diorang bau. Sebab diorang tidak ada sabun, tiada apa semua, tiada itu ini tidak termandir dari diorang pun dekat-dekat susah.
The boat owner's children tagged along as their father took us out to sea. It's boring to be at sea every day. The children living on the boat are more introverted than those living on land. She can't speak Malay. Her head was full of lice and dandruff.
Her hair. I was puzzled and said, why do they still have money to dye their hair? Dyed it yellow. Then a brother said, no, they don't have water. They wash their hair with seawater. Plus, they sunbathe like this every day. So their hair changed color.
As they don't have fresh water to wash clothes or bathe, they generally have skin diseases.
买药给他。
我觉得要在那种 clinic 洗伤口包扎吧，不然
Why doesn't his grandfather let the volunteers take him out to see the doctor?
因为他警察抓。
他其实很失望是吗？是。
Why does this young child not aspire to learn?
You need pencil? Sama, kenapa?
Please watch the next episode, Shattered Dreams, Innocent Wishes, Ignorance is Bliss.